name's Tyler Kendall. I'm a junior software engineer at Cecilian Partners, and I work on our flagship platform called the XO. I graduated from Code Platoon in 2023, where I learned the core skills that I still use every day: Python, JavaScript, PostgreSQL, and Django for backend development. It gave me a solid foundation and the confidence to contribute since day one. Since joining Cecilian, I've used those skills to help push the XO forward. I built a new map called the Community Map, which gives users a more visual and interactive way to explore multiple master plan communities. This gives buyers more ways to find the right properties for them. Beyond new features, I've been part of ongoing work that keeps the XO running. Bug fixes, updates, and improvements. What's been meaningful to me is seeing how something I do fits into something larger. I'm part of a team solving real problems and improving how people interact with our platform. It's been awesome to contribute in a way that feels collaborative, like we're really building something together. All right, that one was pretty good.